Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Academy, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's great to be back again. How are you today?
I'm doing great, Paul. The sun is shining, I had my favorite breakfast, and I'm full of energy. What about you?
I'm fantastic. I had my coffee, so I'm awake, alert, and ready to talk.
Perfect. Before we start, let's remind everyone to subscribe, like, and share our podcast.
Yes, please. It helps more people find our lessons, and it makes us super happy.
Absolutely. Okay, Paul, are you ready for today's topic?
Always ready. What's the topic today?
Today, we're talking about daily routines.
Ooh, I love that topic. Everyone has a routine. Morning, afternoon, evening.
Exactly. And it's one of the easiest and most useful topics in English conversations.
Yes, people ask all the time, what do you do every day, or what's your daily routine?
That's right. So today, we'll learn how to answer that question in a fun and natural way.
Awesome. Let's start from the morning. What do you usually do in the morning, Emily?
Let me think. I wake up at around 6:30 a.m. I stretch a little, open my window, and let the sunlight in.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. After that, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and drink a big glass of water.
Good habit, Emily. I should do that too, but I go straight for my coffee.
I know. You're definitely a coffee person.
Yes, guilty. I wake up at 7, brush my teeth, and take a shower. Then coffee time.
And breakfast?
Usually eggs and toast. Sometimes pancakes if I'm feeling fancy.
Wow, pancakes. That sounds delicious. I usually eat fruit and yogurt in the morning.
Healthy choice, Emily. I should try that someday.
You should. After breakfast, I like to listen to some music before I start my day.
Nice. I usually check my emails or read the news.
Okay, so both of us start with brushing, showering, breakfast, but you're the coffee and news guy, and I'm the music and yogurt girl.
Exactly. That's what makes us a good team.
Totally. Okay, so that's our morning routine. Let's move on to the afternoon.
All right, so Emily, what do you usually do after breakfast?
Well, I go to my university. My first class starts at 9 a.m., so I leave home around 8:30.
Right, you're an art student. What do you usually study in the morning?
It depends. Sometimes drawing, sometimes painting, sometimes digital design. My mornings are always colorful.
I love that. I start my work at 9:30. I teach online English classes to students from different countries.
That must be so interesting. Different cultures, different accents.
Yes, it's amazing. I love talking to people from all over the world.
That's so cool. So when do you usually take a break?
Around 1 p.m., that's my lunchtime. What about you?
Same. I have lunch around 12:30, usually rice, vegetables, and sometimes fish or chicken.
Very healthy. I usually eat something quick, maybe a sandwich, some soup, or noodles.
Noodles! I love noodles. But after lunch, I often take a short nap if I have time.
Oh, lucky you. I can never nap. If I close my eyes, I'll wake up 3 hours later.
Me too sometimes, but a short nap feels so good.
It really does. After lunch, I usually prepare for my next lesson or record a podcast like this one.
Exactly. I usually go back to class or work on my art projects.
Sounds busy. Do you drink coffee again in the afternoon?
Sometimes if I feel sleepy. What about you?
Always. Afternoon coffee is my best friend.
Okay, so that's our daytime routine, full of work, study, and caffeine.
True. Now let's move on to the fun part, the evening.
Evening time, my favorite part of the day.
Same here. I finish my work around 6 p.m. Then I go for a walk or play soccer with my friends.
That's awesome. I usually come home around 6, have a snack, and spend some time with my cat, Luna.
Yes, Luna, the world's sleepiest cat.
That's her. She loves naps more than food.
I can relate. So, what do you do after that?
I relax for a bit, maybe watch YouTube or cook dinner.
Do you cook every night?
Not always. Sometimes my mom cooks, sometimes I do. My favorite dinner is pasta with vegetables.
Of course. Pasta queen.
That's me. What about you, Paul? What's for dinner at your house?
Usually rice, chicken, and salad. Simple and tasty.
Sounds perfect. Do you watch TV after dinner?
Sometimes, yes. I like comedy shows or sports. What about you?
I prefer movies, especially animated ones. They make me happy.
Good choice. After dinner, I usually take a shower, then relax with some music.
That's nice. I sometimes read a book before bed,
And what time do you go to sleep?
usually around 11 p.m.
Same here. I try to get at least 7 hours of sleep.
Good plan. Sleep is very important for learning and health.
Exactly. So, that's our full daily routine, from sunrise to bedtime.
Yes, and it's a perfect topic for English learners.
Right. You can use simple sentences like, I wake up at 7. I go to work. I eat dinner with my family.
Exactly. You don't need to say everything at once, just a few sentences.
And smile when you speak. That makes everything sound friendly and confident.
Beautifully said.
Thank you, Emily.
All right, everyone. Now it's your turn. Go to the comment section below and tell us about your daily routine.
Yes, you can write 2 or 3 sentences. For example, my name is Anna. I wake up at 6. I go to school. I love reading.
We can't wait to read your comments.
And before we go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode.
It helps us so much, and it helps other learners find our lessons.
Thank you all for listening today.
We will be back soon with another fun and easy English topic.
Until then, stay happy, keep practicing.
And keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Paul.
Bye, Emily.